Good evening, ladies. Welcome to the hotel restaurant. Table for two?
Yes, please. A table for two.
Perfect. Please follow me. Here's a nice, quiet table by the window. Would you like to start with some drinks or water?
We'll have 2 glasses of iced lemon water first, thank you. And can we see the menu?
Of course. Here are your waters and the menus. Our specials tonight are grilled fish with lemon sauce or creamy mushroom pasta. Take your time.
Thank you. It all looks so good. What would you recommend for someone who loves seafood?
The grilled fish is fresh from today, very light and flavorful. It comes with steamed vegetables and rice. Many guests love it.
Sounds perfect. I'll have the grilled fish, and my friend would like the creamy mushroom pasta, please.
Great choices. Any starters or sides? Maybe garlic bread or a small salad?
Yes, 1 portion of garlic bread to share, please.
Noted. Anything else right now?
That's all for now, thanks.
Your food will be out soon. Enjoy your evening, ladies. Here we go. Grilled fish with vegetables for you and creamy mushroom pasta for your friend, plus the garlic bread. Enjoy your meal.
This smells amazing. Thank you so much. It looks delicious.
You're very welcome. Let me know if you need anything else. Extra sauce, more water, anything at all.
Actually, could we get 2 more glasses of iced lemon water when you have a moment?
Absolutely. I'll bring them right away. Later, after eating.
Everything was really tasty. We're ready for the bill now, please.
Sure thing. Here is your bill. Was everything to your liking?
Yes, it was excellent. Thank you for the wonderful service.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Thank you for coming. Have a lovely night, ladies. Good evening, ladies. Welcome to the hotel restaurant. Would you like a table inside or on the terrace?
Terrace sounds nice, please. It's a lovely evening.
Great choice. Follow me, please. Here's your table with a beautiful view. Can I get you some water or something to drink to start?
Yes, 2 glasses of sparkling water with lime, please. And we'd love to see the menu.
Coming right up. Here are your sparkling waters and the menus. Tonight we have a special pasta with pesto and grilled prawns, or a classic chicken tikka masala.
Both sound yummy. What's the pasta like? Is it spicy?
The pesto pasta is fresh and light, not spicy at all, just garlicky and herby with juicy prawns. It's one of our most popular dishes.
Perfect. I'll have the pesto pasta with prawns. And for my friend, the chicken tikka masala, please.
Excellent. Would you like any appetizers? We have garlic naan or bruschetta to share.
Garlic naan sounds amazing. 1 portion to share, please.
Noted. Anything else at the moment? Maybe some appetizers or extra sides?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
Your food will be here shortly. Enjoy the view and your evening, ladies. Here we are. Pesto pasta with grilled prawns for you, chicken tikka masala for your friend, and warm garlic naan. Enjoy your meal.
This looks incredible. Thank you so much. It smells wonderful.
My pleasure. If you need anything, more naan, extra sauce, or refills, just wave me over.
Will do. Oh, and could we get 2 more sparkling waters later if we want?
Of course, no problem at all.
We loved everything. The prawns were so fresh. We're ready for dessert now.
Wonderful to hear. For dessert, we have chocolate lava cake, mango cheesecake, or fresh fruit sorbet.
We'll share the chocolate lava cake, please, and 2 cups of coffee after.
Coming right up.
That was the best lava cake ever. Can we have the bill now, please?
Sure. Here's your bill. Was everything okay?
More than okay. It was fantastic. Thanks for such great service.
Thank you for the kind words. It was a pleasure serving you. Have a wonderful rest of your evening. Good evening, ladies. Welcome to our hotel restaurant. How many in your party?
Just the 2 of us, thank you.
Wonderful. Please come this way. I've got a cozy booth ready for you. Would you like still or sparkling water to start?
Still water for both of us, please. And could we have the menu?
Right away. Here are your waters and the menus. Tonight's highlights include beefsteak with pepper sauce or a creamy spinach risotto. Anything catch your eye?
The risotto sounds really nice. Is it vegetarian?
Yes, fully vegetarian, made with fresh spinach, parmesan, and a touch of garlic. It's rich, but not too heavy.
Great. I'll have the spinach risotto, and my friend would like the beefsteak, medium rare, please.
Perfect. Any sides? We have mashed potatoes, French fries, or grilled asparagus.
Grilled asparagus for both of us, please, to share.
Excellent. Would you like any wine or other drinks with your meal?
Just water for now, but maybe we'll add something later. Thanks.
No problem at all. Your dishes will be out in about 15 minutes. Enjoy your time here. Here you are, creamy spinach risotto for you, and medium rare beefsteak with grilled asparagus for your friend. Enjoy.
This looks so appetizing. Thank you. It smells incredible.
Glad you like it. If you need steak sauce, more asparagus, or anything else, I'm right here.
Actually, could I get a little extra Parmesan on the risotto?
Of course, I'll sprinkle some more right now. After eating,
We finished everything. It was delicious. Can we see the dessert menu?
absolutely. Here it is, tiramisu, ice cream sundae, or lemon tart.
We'll share the tiramisu, please, and 2 cappuccinos.
Coming right up.
Later, the tiramisu was heavenly. We're ready for the bill now.
Here it is. Everything to your satisfaction?
More than satisfied. Thank you for such attentive service.
It was my pleasure. Thank you for dining with us. Have a great evening, ladies.